Welcome to the in front of me VIVO X80 Pro, and I'll show you that the device comes with the charger brick inside the box. So let's first open the box here. This is the place for our VIVO device. And let's you open this box. And here we can see our charger brick. This is the original VIVO fast charger brick here with all of the specs here. So yes, our device comes with a charger brick inside the box. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.